Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antonia. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how I get my flawless foundation base. I get this question asked all the time, even though I do it on Instagram almost every single day. Yeah, so I'm here filming it for you guys, and let's just get started. I make the best iced coffees. I should show you guys. I have glitter on my face. I always have glitter on my face when I sit down and do my makeup, and I don't know how because there's never any glitter on my desk, but I always end up with glitter on my face. Alright, so to start out today's base, I'm going to go in with the E.l.f Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection. It has vitamin C in it. I think that's why I bought it in the first place. I haven't really noticed a difference with this, but I also just started using it. So I'm just going to put a couple drops of this. It's like water, so I'm not sure if this really works, but I've been using it, so I'm gonna use it today. So I use quite a lot of products before I do my foundation and all of that, so you don't have to use all of these products. This is what works best for my skin. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. I love this stuff. You're supposed to use it at night, but I use mine during the day. And it's not really like moisturizing. I think that's why I don't wear it at night, but I feel like it does something. I'm really bad at this, but now that we are all moisturized, we're gonna moisturize again. And I'm gonna use the Ultra Repair Cream. This is for intense hydration. I need that right now in my life. This DC weather is not too good for my skin, and I'm always dry, so I load quite a bit of this on, and I also blend it down my neck. My neck wrinkles are so bad. This is the last product that I use before primer. This is the Becca Skin Love Glow Elixir. I love this stuff. I actually got it sent to me not too long ago, and it is, okay, so let me start from the beginning. I typically stay away from elixirs just because I don't like to have an oily skin, if that makes sense. I feel like a lot of the elixirs or illuminators out there will make your skin look really, really oily or really, really glittery, if that makes sense. The product right here does not do that. It just gives you just an overall just fresh glow. No added benefit. Couple little dabs. I love taking this Glow Glaze Stick. It's by Becca also. This is part of their Skin Love collection. And I like to put this just right on the high points of my face. I would say cheeks because I'm putting it on the cheeks, but I put this on pretty much every high point of my face. It just gives your foundation more of a natural glow, not so much matte, even though I prefer a matte finish, but I don't like it to look too matte. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Makeupforever Ultra HD foundation. This is in Y425. I use this foundation a lot. I used to use this foundation a lot, and then I just kind of stopped using it because I got more foundations, and I realized how much I still love it. So we're going to go in with this one today. I'm going to place a couple pumps on the back of my hand because I don't have a mixing tray. So now we're going to move on to concealer. I like to use two different types of concealers. I'm almost out, guys. This is the Colourpop concealer. This is in the shade 40. So I go in with this concealer shade first. And then I go in with the Tart Shape tape after, just to brighten everything up. And I like to drag this up the side of my nose. I have really dark inner corners, and the sides of my nose are really dark as well, so I like to brighten those up. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in Medium Honey. I'm gonna add the smallest amount. Just a couple dabs. I also use this to highlight here and my chin. Boom. Looking like a bingo game. And for contouring, I prefer to use a foundation over a concealer. I just feel like it looks a little bit more natural. This is the one that I love to use. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. This is in the shade, God, I can't see. warm honey. That's crazy. My concealer is a medium honey, but, and I just take the applicator. This is probably really bad, but it's hard to like get stuff out of here. Like I don't know like how this really works. The places I want to contour. So I'm going to start on my forehead. I'm going to do the sides of, I have makeup everywhere. This is so bad. I'm going to do the sides of my cheeks. And this product is so easy to blend out. I'm also going to put some on the sides of my nose. Yeah, that's it. Nose contour 101, you know? You learn how to do things like a pro over here. All right, I'm gonna blend it out. It blends out so nice, and because it's like an aqua luminous, it gives your face more of that glow. And like I said, I really like my foundation to look as natural as possible, but as full coverage as possible. My nose, I guess I'll take the sponge. I'm going to squeeze it a little bit and then try to go along the edges. I am not that good at contouring my nose. I will be the first one to admit that. I actually just started contouring my nose not too long ago. But yeah, I thought about getting nose filler. When I went to go get the nose filler, they told me that I don't need it. My nose is fine. However, I don't think that, so we'll see. We are going to set the under eyes. I've been using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake, but for this today, I think I'm going to go back in with my oldie but a goodie. This is a Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Everyone has this, so we're going to use it. I'm going to take a little bit of powder on the sponge and press this into the under eye so we can set everything in place. A fluffy brush and use the powder to set the rest of my face. Alright, so now that we have our base pretty much all completed, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes and my brows really quick off camera, and I'll be right back. I did use these lashes by Violet Voss. They are called I Don't Care. I've actually really been loving their lashes lately. I picked a few up from Target when I went. I like them. I'm going to use this powder bronzer in the shade Saddle. This is by ABH. Don't forget to drag it down your jawline. For blush, I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics. This is their 10 color blush palette. I really like this palette. I've had it for quite some time. And I'm just going to take this peachy shade right here in the palette. It's my favorite shade, but yeah, I'm going to go in with that one. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face, and for that I'm going to use the E.l.f Beauty Shield Skin Protected Daily Defense Mist. I need to get a fan off of Amazon. Like every other YouTuber, I'm slacking, okay? I'm slacking. So now we're just gonna move on to glow, and I'm gonna keep it really natural. So we all know how to do like a full bomb ass in your face banging glow, but for me personally, I like to use the Laura Mercier translucent glow. I'm not gonna have, none of you guys are gonna watch me after this, cause like, you're gonna be like, this bitch doesn't have her life together, and I'm like, I agree, okay, I agree. I'm gonna highlight the inner corners. I don't know if I want to. I kind of want to, but I don't want anything crazy. That's enough. That's enough. For lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one by Kat Von D. This is in Bow and Arrow. Yeah, Bow and Arrow. So now I'm going to go in with this lip gloss right here. I'm not sure of the name. this completes the final makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Yeah. Hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.